Hi, it's Hardware and today I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on Honor Magic V5. So, first, check if your phone isn't muted and try to increase the volume on the call, like during the call. Then, disable the Bluetooth because you might be connected to some speaker or headphones. Then try to clean the earpiece that it is right in here with a soft brush or a compressed air. And last thing is to restart your smartphone. And you can try call on the other app, for example the WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.